Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Wa Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Lived young Harry, a bear who felt small, with brothers so lively and a fishy feast. He dreamed of adventures, a change he saw at least. One bright morning, Harry felt brave. He packed up his things and set off to save. From fishy dinners and hills full of play, he ventured beyond to a brand new day. Through forests and fields he wandered with glee, past rivers and lakes, oh what wonders to see. At last he arrived in a city so grand, where bears danced and sang in a joyful band. A festival sparkled with music and cheer. Harry danced with delight, feeling no fear. The best bear costume, they cheered him so loud. Harry felt happy, just like a bear proud. With steak on his plate, he tried to eat right, but clumsy he was, what a comical sight. The laughter of cubs filled the air like a song. Harry felt joyful, but it didn't last long. When morning arrived with a loud sleepy yawn, he saw the cubs run, oh what had he drawn? They weren't real bears, they were kids in disguise. Harry felt foolish with tears in his eyes. He hurried back home through forest and stream, missing his family, the warmth of their beam. I love you, he cried in a heartfelt embrace. With brothers and mother, he found his true place. Harry learned that adventures can take you far, but the love of your family is the brightest star. No matter how thrilling the world seems to roam, there's no place like home, where your heart finds its dome.